It is important to know how to say a number and write it in number form and written form. Let's go over this number. We read numbers from left to right. We will focus on the numbers in the first group. Looking at the numbers in this group, we see that it is 67, and since there is just one comma, we know that it is in the thousands group. We say for this part, 67,000. Let's look at the next group of numbers. Here we have 439. Let's put it all together now, and from left to right we say 67,439. I hope you noticed that I did not say and in that number. We don't say and in whole numbers. We do say and when there is a decimal, and we will learn that later. Let's look at one more number so we can hit this home. Here we have this number. As you can see, this number is already separated by commas. That is very helpful. If there is a number that is not separated by commas, go ahead and put commas in it, and that will help you say and write the number more easily. Okay, let's break this number down. Remember that we say numbers from left to right. In the first group, we have a lonesome 6. Go ahead and use the help sheet here. The 6 is 7 places over from the end of the number, and so we know that it is in the 1 millionth place. The 6 is in the million group, and so we say 6 million. Moving over to the next group of numbers, we notice that it is 762. We can see that this group is in the thousand group, so we say 762,000. The next group has some zeros and a 9. Zeros have no value, and so here we have a 9 in the ones place. As you know, that is just 9. Let's put the number together now, and we say 6,762,009. And that is how you say numbers. The reason I have you say numbers out loud and to yourself is because that will help you write the number. You write the number just the same way that you say it. Let's take the same number that we just learned how to say and write it. Here is the number again. Let's say it again out loud for practice. 6,762,009. I will use the help sheet to make sure I spell everything correctly. Let's take the first part of the number, 6 million. On the help sheet I find the word 6 and write it here first. Now I find million and write it next. The next part of the number is 762,000. I find 7 on the help sheet and write the word here. Next I need to find 100 and write it here. Now I find 60 and write it down. Next is 2. I write it here. We need 1,000 next, and that is here on the help sheet, and I write it next. And we are almost done. The next group of numbers is 9. This will be easy. I just find 9 on the sheet and write the word here. Perfect. Everything is spelled correctly, and we are done.